welcome to our virtual Burkert booth on the Hannover Show 2021. Thank you for taking the time to join us and be a part of this somewhat different event. My name is Herbert Robeck and I'm the CEO of the Burkert Group. Customer centricity is more than just a catchphrase for us. It is part of our strategy and has thus also become part of our DNA. Our whole organization, including all processes, is focused on you and your needs as we aspire to be a trusted partner in fluid control systems. Wherever you have liquids or gases to be measured and controlled, we can support you with our high-tech components, system solutions and services. In brief, we make ideas flow. More than 3,000 employees in 36 countries around the world do so every day. As a family-owned company, we are independent and our deep vertical integration adds value by ensuring safe delivery chains, especially in these days. 75 years of experience in fluid control systems have made us courageous enough to start where others stop. That said, to understand your needs, first of all, we must listen to you. For this reason, we will be offering a live chat during the following technical presentations, and we are happy to answer all of your questions. One benefit of a virtual booth visit, you're now able to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show without any distractions. First off, some insights on how Burkert is pushing innovations for intelligent process automation.
Hello, my name is Lucas.
And I'm Uwe.
And today we're going to explain you how Burkert thinks about near-field process automation, what different kind of concepts we offer, and how decentralized automation will make a difference in your daily working life.
Burkert near-field process automation doesn't only relate to the pneumatic actuation of process valves and other pneumatic actuators. We always have a very holistic view on the automation and fluid control challenges of our customers. Doing that, we look at the whole value chain in the market, starting at manufacturers of pneumatically actuated process valves, through plant builders and machine builders, up to operators of plants and machines. We always design our solutions to the individual requirements and demands of our customers. Depending on what our customers do, what their particular product is, if they are building machines or plants, or if they operate machines or plants, their requirements and demands vary greatly. To match our claim to be a technology leader and to always design the most suitable solutions for our customers, we have developed a broad portfolio of products, technologies, competencies, as well as solutions to do exactly that. We support manufacturers of pneumatically actuated process valves, specifically hygienic seat valves, with the integration of pneumatic control functionality in their products. But we do not only focus on the pneumatic control as such. We can also integrate position measurement for position feedback, PID control and closed control loop functionality, as well as embedded electronics and software, as well as connectivity to all common used field bus systems. We've got decades of experience with regards to process valves as well as pneumatic actuators. So we use all of the experience we gained to support our customers to include diagnostic functionality in their products as well. As diverse as the machines are the requirements of machine builders with regards to pneumatic control. Often small-sized machines require fit-for-purpose solutions. Quite often the ELF terminals are the best solutions here. With our networked and modular automation concepts, we help manufacturers of larger-scale machines and skids to modularize their products and to reduce complexity with regards to pneumatic tubing, electrical wiring, as well as the need for protective and electrical cabinets. Our skillfully designed automation concepts, combining decentralized as well as distributed control, are the best solution for engineering companies. Specifically, decentralized automation and pneumatic control reduces complexity of electrical and mechanical engineering as well as planning significantly. To make life easier for engineering companies, Burkert provides them with all the information and data they require to integrate field devices as well as complete subsystems in field bus networks as well as control systems. Compared to conventional automation solutions, the combination of decentralized and distributed automation concepts reduces cost of wiring and tubing, as well as related infrastructure, quite significantly. With related infrastructure, I mean cable trays, protective tubing, junction boxes and labeling. On top of that, plant builders and integrators often benefit from significantly shorter commissioning times through decentralized automation. Last but not least are the machine and the plant operators. So our solutions helps them to shorten time for fault finding and to simplify their maintenance and repair work. Integrated diagnostic functionality helps them to increase availability of the machines and plants. All of our products and all of the solutions we provide, they're all designed and manufactured in-house. We assure availability and security of supply for spare parts and wear parts over a long period of time and secure the often significant investment of our customers in automation equipment.
Burkhardt is the only company in near-field process automation capable of solutions for distributed as well as decentralized automation. Both concepts have their strength, but limitations as well. That's why we do not see these concepts in competition to each other, but rather complementary. And today, we're going to focus on the benefits of decentralized automation. Burkhardt solutions for decentralized automation are not exclusively available for Burkhardt valves, but for all common manufacturers of hygienic process valves. This enables you to standardize the complete control and diagnose of valve technology in your plant. Therefore, complexity for the people who engineer, install, commission and maintain the plant will be reduced significantly. Moreover, efforts for sourcing, logistics and storage are decreased by this standardization. In a conventional distributed approach, control technology and pneumatic actuation are placed in a cabinet, and there is a certain distance to the process valves in the field. As you can see, the distance between the field device and its control technology leads to long tube and wire length, as well as a high number of electric and pneumatic connections. This results in high efforts for wiring and tubing, as well as for related tasks such as engineering, documentation, sourcing and commissioning. Things can get much easier using decentralized automation combined with direct digital connectivity on the field device. For us, decentralized automation means that the control functionality, pneumatic actuation, the communication interface and the intelligence are placed directly on the valve. Thereby, we transform a mechanical process valve into an intelligent field device. Think about plant engineering and building. Following a decentralized approach, there is no distance between control technology and the valve. This saves you a high number of electric and pneumatic connections. Therefore, efforts on complexity in tubing can be reduced significantly. Realizing pneumatic supply directly from the compressed air line to the valve reduces tube length, speeds up tubing and enhances transparency. Complexity in cabling can be reduced as well. Lower level field buses such as IO-Link enable a lean and transparent cabling in the plant. This saves time in installation and commissioning, and M12 connectors enable quick and easy electric connections. This slower effort and complexity in cabling and tubing saves time and cost in engineering, documentation, installation and commissioning for plant building and engineering companies. Now, think about ongoing operations and maintenance, for example in the food and beverage or the pharmaceutical industry. Decentralized automation helps the operator to prevent failure by smart diagnostic functions of the control top. If an error still occurs, it makes it easier to localize, diagnose and fix this error. How does it work? The control top enables diagnose down to the process valve in the field by generating diagnose and process data. Critical parameters are monitored, what helps you to anticipate failures or a required maintenance action before a device fails. This information can be transferred to wherever you want to monitor and gain insight of it, as our solutions offer connectivity to all commonly used communication protocols, be it the SCADA system or an IIoT platform in the cloud. And if you ask yourselves why on earth this is relevant for a valve, in many industries, especially in hygienic process industries, a valve can be a vital component of the production plant, with direct influence on the quality of the end product. If a valve fails, this can lead to unwanted mixing of fluids or the contamination of product. That is why diagnosis of a process valve can be crucial and save you lots of money. It reduces the risk for failure or unintended downtime significantly. Now that you know the differences between decentralized and distributed automation, we want to introduce you to the way we work in order to find your individual process automation solution. Step 1. Listen. We listen to you intensively to understand your needs and the requirements of your specific application. Step 2. Think. We think in solutions. That means we always search for new approaches and combinations of technology to find innovative solutions for your specific process automation task. Thereby, we apply our knowledge in process automation, fluid controls, digital communication, and smart diagnostic functions to develop innovative and future-proof solutions. Step 3. Solve. We develop and realize solutions tailored to your individual requirements. Therefore, we take into account the whole process from engineering, installation, and commissioning of a plant to ongoing operations and maintenance. Our focus lies on decreasing your total cost of ownership with most efficient concepts, be it decentralized automation, distributed automation, or smart combinations of both concepts.
Thank you very much for listening to Lukas and to myself.
And to prove the way we work, we will start listening to your automation challenge right now. Please contact us in the live chat.
As you can see, We Make Ideas Flow stands for creativity and control, but also for precise measurement, as shown in the next example. At a first glance, nothing but a stainless steel tube.
Hi, I'm Hendrik, and today I'd like to present the innovative flow meter FlowWave and how to detect changes of liquids inside the pipe. One of our customers is producing shampoo, and they got the challenge to detect the change from shampoo to water within the line between production tank and storage tank. The main motivation is to have all the shampoo in the storage tank without adding extra water to the storage tank. The target is to improve the process and reduce the cost by not wasting shampoo. What they need is a valve in front of the storage tank that is switching as soon as the water comes. The challenge is that both shampoo and water are transparent, so an optical sensor cannot be applied. And that's where FlowWave comes into play. FlowWave is a smart flow meter based on surface acoustic wave technology. So it's using acoustic waves to detect the flow among many other liquid properties. The three main value propositions of this smart flow meter are first, the hygienic and the compact design. FlowWave inside is just the straight pipe, so cleaning is very easy. Due to the acoustic wave technology, it's independent on conductivity of the liquid, so you can use it, for example, for oils, for purified water, for juice, for milk, and for soft drinks. And third, beside the FlowWave has even more exciting features and diagnostic functionalities. In one device, you get the measurement of flow, temperature, density factor, and acoustic transmission factor. Density factor and acoustic transmission factor can be used to detect the change from one liquid to another inside the pipe. And now we're going to take a look how it works. Here is the FlowWave demonstrator as a dosing station. The setup is the FlowWave, a manual ball valve, a side glass, and right now it's filled with water, and I can start a first dosing process. So what we see, flow wave measured 201 milliliters. And this is exactly what you find on the measuring cup. Here you can see how accurately flow wave is measuring the flow in this example of dosing. In a second demonstration, we want to show you what happens if I add oil to the water and demonstrate how flow wave detects the difference of water and oil. Now I add oil to the water. What we see now is a layer of oil on top of the water. The flow wave is connected to the Burkert communicator, and in the Burkert communicator software you see all the measurement values you get from the flow meter. You can also select it for a graphical view that will appear in this graph, the acoustic transmission in blue and the density factor in green. And now again, I open the valve. So what we can see on the graph, first the water with 100% acoustic transmission and a density factor close to 1. And then we see here directly the change of liquid from water to oil and the lower density of oil and also a lower acoustic transmission factor of oil. As you can see, flow wave is measuring the two liquids extremely fast. And what we also can see in the measuring cup, the layer of oil and the layer of water. And here we got an update for you. This is the Flow Wave S, a new variant of flow wave with a small transmitter for all the different flow wave sensors. And this is the best choice if you look for a compact and very robust design of a flow meter. Today we have seen that flow wave is more than just a flow meter. It can also measure the change of liquid, like we have seen in the customer example from shampoo to water, and in our demonstration from water to oil. Thanks for your attention. I'm curious about your fluidic challenges and looking forward to chat with you.
Now we have seen lots of high technology, but to successfully use it, it all comes down to understanding the application and bringing the people together to be able to listen. That's why we really appreciate you being with us today. However, we look forward to meeting you in real life.